Hey everyone, want to create a simple and effective tutorial reels using only your phone? Here's how to do it using just screen recording. Let's get started. First, start by turning on your phone screen recorder. Then show your step-by-step process clearly, whether it's using an app, website, or settings. Then here record in portrait mode to match a reels format. You can go to a Pinterest app and look for an aesthetic videos that can be used to your reels. Then download it and after that open your CapCut or your favorite editing app and trim the video. Add a voiceover if you want or captions to explain each step and highlight tabs using zoom or animated pointers. Then to keep it engaging, you can add music, stickers, and transitions, but don't overdo it. Keep your reel short, clear, and under 60 seconds if possible. And that's it, a clean, helpful tutorial made just your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.